This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Openai account, a valid API key, and billing enabled. Once done, open the web generator or SDK and set image size and aspect ratio. Next, craft a focused prompt with subject, mood, and style tags. Include reference images if you have them. Make sure to save your prompt template to iterate quickly. This gets you into generation immediately rather than stalling on trivial setup details. Once you have a basic prompt, refine it with concrete visual details and adjectives: lighting, composition, color palette, and camera angle. Then set generation parameters. Higher guidance scale tightens adherence to the prompt. More steps can improve detail but cost more. Use a seed for reproducible results and add negative prompts to filter out artifacts. Finally, run small previews to check direction and iterate quickly, rather than committing to a long, full-quality render. You finalize by exporting the high-resolution image and saving the prompt plus seed in a project file for future edits. If minor flaws remain, use in-painting or selective edits. If the concept needs change, tweak wording and parameters and regenerate. Make sure to compare variations side by side to pick the best. If outputs look off, one troubleshooting tip: simplify the prompt and lower guidance scale to reduce hallucinated details before increasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.